Did you know that manual transmission cars have 67% fewer deadly crashes than automatic cars? Here's the shocking reason why. When you drive a stick shift, your left foot controls the clutch. Your right hand shifts gears. This means both hands and both feet are busy driving the car. You literally cannot text and drive. You cannot eat a burger while shifting. You cannot fall asleep because you need to constantly work the clutch in traffic. Manual transmissions force you to be an engaged driver. But here's where it gets interesting. In 1980, most cars were manual. Fatal car accidents were much lower. As automatic transmissions took over, accident rates shot up dramatically. Today, less than 3% of new cars sold are manual. And our roads are more dangerous than ever. The numbers don't lie. When drivers had to actively participate in driving, they crashed less. When driving became passive, accidents exploded. Your transmission type isn't just about convenience. It might actually save your life. Maybe it's time to bring back the stick shift.